Hi, what's up, you guys? This is simply Elaine. For today, I will be showing you at least 5 devices that I own, which are now almost really totally replaced by one device that I was so blessed to have just recently. And these are number one, my portable heater, and then my diffuser. Then I have my portable air purifier with HEPA filter and my portable and very handy dehumidifier. What I would not be able to show you would be my vacuum cleaner because I have stowed it away already in the storage room in my cellar. And all of these devices are now replaced by just one device, and that is my new vacuum cleaner. And why am I sharing you this? This is not some kind of advertising or whatever, and I also wouldn't get any commission for doing this, but I know that so many of you guys out there have a problem with dust, allergy, and all of this stuff, and we do not know that our vacuum cleaner actually just sucks up or vacuums the dust, but it actually just recirculates the dust into the air and not able to clean really our homes, so to speak. And so I will be sharing to you something that has really changed the way I clean and the way I live. It has made my life much lighter. As I said, I'm not getting any commission for this, but who knows, I might get lucky, right? But I'm just sharing this to you because, like so many others out there, I have some problems with dust. I have allergy with dust, and it really is not so good because if you have it, then it does something to your health, like your sinuses will be all clogged up and you wouldn't be able to sleep at night. Even if you clean every day, still dust is everywhere and it's unavoidable. And in my apartment, there are just, yeah, 3 windows. I only have 3 windows, and I do not have a window in my bathroom. That's the problem with smaller apartments, right? Especially here in Europe. That is just a luxury that some people cannot have, the luxury of having huge windows in their bathrooms. And because I do not have a window in my bathroom, each time that I take a shower, I would have to dry up the walls after showering. And because there is no air circulation except for the exhaust in the ventilation, I always needed to heat up, especially during the summer because the heating system is not yet on. I always have to heat up my bathroom right after showering so that the water will dry up. And I also use my dehumidifier, which I showed you a while ago, just so that I can prevent the accumulation of molds, not only in my bathroom, but in my whole apartment. And I also love just relaxing in the evening after work. Who wouldn't, right? So I just turn on my diffuser and put in some aromatherapy oils, therapeutic oils, essential oils to help me relax and to help me calm down after a very stressful day. And that's when I use my diffuser. And because I have problems also with dust allergies, And just to keep the ventilation in my house, in my apartment running, right? Because I only have very few windows, I let the windows mostly open so that the air could circulate. And when you let the windows open, you cannot prevent dust from coming in. And because of that, I have to have purified air. That's why I bought this very small portable air purifier, which has a HEPA filter. But now I basically do not need any of these anymore, specifically not my vacuum cleaner, which, by the way, I wouldn't say the brand, but it is one of the best German brands when it comes to vacuum cleaners. Yet, when I've got this new vacuum cleaner of mine, which is an all-arounder, it does everything. After I take a shower, I use it to dry up my bathroom. So I have no need anymore of my portable heater to dry up my bathroom. I do not need my dehumidifier anymore because the way that it circulates the air and actually vacuums the droplets of water, it actually is already a dehumidifier in itself. And because it does not use any vacuum bags, but instead it uses water, I do not need my diffuser anymore. I just have to put in, I will show you later on how it works. I just have to put in my essential oil into the water, and the scent just circulates all around, not just in the room where my vacuum cleaner is, but in the entire apartment. And so I am very, very blessed to have this, and it is called as the Rainbow Mate cleaning system. I will show it to you, and if you are interested after my online video mini demonstration of how it works, you can just send me a personal message and I will link you up to someone who knows better, and I can refer you to a person who can help you acquire one of these really, really amazing, wonderful vacuum cleaner. All right, so it's time for the demonstration. As promised, I'll be showing you how it works. So this is the Rainbow Mate vacuum cleaner, and it comes with a small bowl. It's like a fish bowl. And this bowl, you need to fill halfway with water. You see, the water is clear, which functions like some sort of a diffuser. I got a therapeutic oil, an aromatic oil from Rainbow, and I've also got the ones that I use for my diffuser, a collection of organic therapeutic oils, essential oils. And for today, I think I just want to relax a little bit, and so I will be putting a few drops of lavender into the bowl. Because of the way it circulates the air, you do not need to put a lot. Like I just put 2 to 3 drops. There you go. And then just put back the bowl into the vacuum cleaner and click it like so. Now it's time to clean. So guys, it's now time to show you that it actually did work. And just to prove to you, I will be showing you what happened after my 15 minutes of vacuuming. You remember the water I showed you in the fishbowl? How clear it was? And now, have a look. I really have a hard time showing, but have a look how dusty the water actually is. I'll take a snapshot of it, a close-up of how it actually looks like now. So it really works. So just have a look at that. That's the bowl with the water after vacuuming. You can see the dust particles actually floating in the water. It's yucky. If you can just think about it, how much dust there actually still is, even if I clean my apartment every day. It's because of the dust coming out from the windows. If you really want your rooms well ventilated, and the only way that you can do that is by having your room windows open, then you've got to have this. You've got to have a rainbow mate in your home. I am not doing this because I am a part of the Rainbow Company. I'm not doing this for them. I am not doing this for myself, but I am doing this for you. I'm sharing this because I want you to know that there is something that can change the way that you clean your homes. And if you've got kids, if you've got small children living with you in your family, this is something that you really, really need to consider, because the dust just is circulating everywhere. And even if your vacuum cleaner is the best vacuum cleaner around, it still cannot do what this water-based vacuum cleaner can do. And it doesn't matter if you live in the States, if you live in the Philippines, whichever continent you are in right now, just if you are interested, send me a personal message and I can help you find someone to help you where to get this wonderful, amazing, water-based Rainbow Mate vacuum cleaner, which has really changed my life when it comes to cleaning and when it comes to my dust allergies. I no longer have problems in the evening with clogged sinuses, but I can sleep better at night. I hope you have enjoyed our video. Until next time, this is simply Elaine. Bye!